So today I am planning my second fantasy dress. So yeah, I am very excited because the first one, you guys absolutely love it. So I am super pumped and inspired to make another dress. I am having fun with this series just because I feel like I am kind of expressing out my creativity because these style of dresses are not my usual style. That is going to be the second fabric or material that I'm going to be using for my second fantasy dress. Hopefully create a dress out of that because that's not a lot of fabric, and that is a size large men's shirt. Finished drawing the patterns. It's been 2 hours since I started the project and I finished the bodice already. I'm downloading all the video clips on my computer, and you guys, my whole entire house smells so good right now and I'm starving. My husband is preparing dinner and he's preparing slow cooked lamb shank and roasted Brussels sprout and mashed potatoes. And you guys, it smells so good right now, so I think I'm gonna go downstairs and check it out. Day 2 of this project, I am going to finish the skirt. So the bodice is looking pretty over there, and now I am going to focus on the skirt. So I decided I'm going to use this white fabric because I ran out of blue fabric. So sad to say, I will not be able to try on the dress like I did last time because this time I can't really get away with it because it is too short and I don't feel comfortable showing my legs. So I decided my mannequin is going to rock it for me. It's right here. Oh my goodness, I love this dress. I love the color combination. I decided to put this long necklace, and it actually looks really good. It looks like it's part of the dress. This mannequin is so lucky. It gets to wear pretty dresses, right? Selfie with my mannequin. I'm being weird again. Hello everyone, so today I am going to start my third fantasy dress. So actually I had been busy last week, so I wasn't able to vlog because we went to Illinois to visit families and friends. So that's why my vlog was pretty short. Excuse my voice if it sounded a little different because I was just chit-chatting with my sister on the phone for like hours. I had been talking all day. So anyway, I am going to start the third fantasy dress, and this time I am thinking of creating another tube top dress, and it's also a mini dress that's going to have some sort of a longer skirt overlay. I actually already have it in my brain and I just don't know if it's going to turn out the way I am envisioning it. And I will be creating the pattern. I will do the draping method, and you guys, I am really loving the draping because it is super easy and I can create any design that I want. So anyway, I'm also going to be using a thrift find fabric. I got it like 2 months ago and it was a white eyelet fabric. I was thinking of dyeing it into a different color. I am so excited to use that for this project so I can test out my draping skills. When I draped the design on the mannequin, it only took me like 5 minutes just because this style is very simple and basic. So it was super easy for me to design it. And then I decided I'm going to try something different. I am going to drape the skirt as well. As you can see, I also added panels for the skirt patterns. I'm trying that out today and hopefully that will work. Usually all my skirt patterns are paper patterns. So for this, I just want to test it out if it's actually going to work if I drape it on the mannequin and see how that goes. I transferred the measurement on the fabric. Now it's time to true the pattern pieces. That means just connecting all the lines, making sure that all the pieces are lining up properly. So that is the next step to this. Hello, good morning everybody, and welcome again to my behind the scenes sewing vlog. I already finished my third fantasy dress, which is a mermaid style dress. So right now it is right there on the mannequin. I am really loving this dress, you guys, just because it is super pretty, it is well made, and it fits perfectly. I am really pleased with the way the drape skirt turned out. As you can see, it is fitted, and if I turn the mannequin, it fits just right. As you can see, it's just beautiful fit. It fits like a glove, and I absolutely love it. The mannequin is a tad big on me, so I just kind of pin it so it can wear it. I'm really pleased with the horsehair hem. I really like it. It gives the hemline some volume, so when you walk around, it just gives you that formal look vibe. And I put this on because I am so short. It actually gave a little train at the back, which I am super excited about, because like I actually wanted to have a little train at the back, but I did not expected it that it's going to do that. For some reason, I didn't feel like putting on the dress just because I was bloated. But when I tried it on, I was like, va-va-voom. I liked it. And yeah, so yes, and there I am again, admiring my work. Behind me, there is a little bit of sneak peek right here. Once the camera stops rolling, I am going to start draping the pattern pieces for my ultimate fantasy dress. So this dress is going to be a big one. I even bought a petticoat just to give it just to give the dress the oomph that it needs, because it was such a big dress. If you would like to see more from Aldo DIY, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the likes button if you are enjoying this series. And I will see you in the next one. Bye! La 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 la.